how to create carousel ads on Facebook. So if you want to create carousel ads on Facebook, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Ads Manager. And here you will have your Facebook Ads Manager. Just click on it. We'll take it to the Ads Manager. So you can go to Ads Manager, which is right here on the left side. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you load your ad account, here on the left side, you will have campaign section. Make sure that you're under the campaign section. And from the campaigns, you will have an option to create right here. So click on create, which is on the left side. And from here, you can go with engagement, go with continue, and you can choose a campaign setup. So I'll just simply go with manual engagement campaign, go with continue. And from here, you will be able to create your carousel ad. So you can scroll down and then add some details like the category, the buying type, and all of these options. And after that, you can go with next, which is on the bottom right, and again enter the ad set name. You can create a template if you want to. Then again scroll down and then go with all of these information. You can add your budget, your scheduling and everything, and then go with next again. And once you follow these process, then you will be able to create your carousel ad on Facebook. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.